I'm Dennis Moreland with Dennis Moreland Tack, and today we're going to talk about wiping your tack. Keep checking for weak spots, and you should check for weak spots in your tack every time you ride. About once a month I like to wipe my saddle down, and I use Bentley saddle soap, and it's the best saddle soap that I've ever used. If something is real dry, we'll use pure Neatsfoot oil. We'll saddle soap it first, and then we'll put a light coat of pure Neatsfoot oil and then go back and saddle soap again later to take the surface oil off. But if your tack's in good shape and you're using it on a regular basis, about all you need to do is wipe it down with Bentley saddle soap. And to get started, I'm going to roll my sleeves up. On the saddle, we just wipe the surface good. Be sure and get your strings. Go down your strings, it keeps them pliable. If you tie your Makati up here, you need to be able to tie them. If you tie your slicker on behind you, it needs to be a good pliable string. Go underneath your saddle, get all under there. Do your flank cinch, billet. On both sides, because you gather all the sweat on the back side. I like to do my latigos. And here again, check right here at the top where it folds over the D-ring. We can unbuckle our hobble strap on our fender. Looks like it's gathered a little green mold. Take our stirrups off. We can check our fenders here where they fold. When we come to the other side, I like to take my cinches down. I like to pull my double off completely off. Although we're not going to saddle soap it, I like to check my cinches that there's no wear, there's no strands missing, there's no wear where it goes over the edge of the buckle. But this way, give this double off a good scrubbing. The holes are not elongated out. Right here where it folds over the cinch buckle, it's still in good shape, but it needs to be looked at. While we're this far along, go ahead and take your flank cinch off. Like we did on the other side, when you do your billet, we'll check for wear, check for holes that are pulled out. On the flank cinch, of course the bottom side needs the most attention because it gets all the sweat from the horse. You need to check both ends where the buckle goes around, that there's no wear there. On the other side, check where your buckle fits in. Check your hobble strap. This is one place that I like to use Bi-Thane. It'll last for years and years and years, and you don't have, a lot of times you'll see that will break and cause people a big wreck. Just a little bit of care along saves a half a day project when you've let it get so dry that it has to be saddle soaked and oiled and saddle soaked again. Just do this once a month or so and your saddle will stay in good shape, your tack will stay in good shape. But look at your tack every day when you're saddling, when you're putting a bridle on. We want you to stay safe.
For more tips and to take a look at some of the country's finest handmade tack, log on to dmtack.com.